Welcome to this guide on installing the AMK air suspension compressor for the Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221 or CL-Class C216. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight and raise the vehicle. Now remove the front skid plate from underneath the vehicle to expose the air suspension compressor. Next, locate and remove the airline from the compressor. Also remove the airline fitting from the airline and discard. Now locate and remove the two electrical connectors from the compressor. Pinch and slide the clamp off of the fitting to remove the larger rubber hose from the compressor. Now locate and remove the three mounting nuts holding the compressor to the vehicle. Now you're able to remove the compressor and mounting hardware from the vehicle. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Install the new AMK compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.